Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Got here another kit going out to the States to Bobby. This particular kit is got the standard RevTech filter. Okay, you can actually cover this in black if you want it to look less RevTech-y. Okay, a lot of them did come with a black version of that, so it's easy enough to disguise the RevTech name if you don't like it. But it is a damn good filter. Got a washable K&N in it, bolt straight on, fits a Mikuni without any adapters at all, because RevTech motors used to use the same system. Thunder hot ignition, obviously the best you can get. Coil, leads, plugs we give you. Bracket for the choke. Proper metal choke cable, not plastic shit like most of them are. Decent carb as well. This is by Jesse's, very good quality, not the usual eBay specials. Programming lead for your ignition. New manifold, flanges with seals, new flange seal here. This is your Magnetti Marelli carb conversion, which you can see I've pre-fitted on the tap. Okay, because you're doing away with the internal thing, we're going to give you a washable fuel filter. You can see when that's clogged up. Okay, just put rubber around it if you need to put it near the engine, or you can obviously sight it away. And that pretty well sums it up. You know, everything that you need to do the EFI to carb kit. Give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu if it ever works. Thank you.